Now that we have our primary colors red, green, and blue, and our secondary colors cyan, magenta, and yellow, we're going to fill in all these spaces in between. This is a reminder of what we just went over in class on how to create tertiary colors using those numbers 255 and half of 255, which is 127.5 minus the 0.5. So we're just going to do 127. So this first spot right here, remember that you're going to find the closest primary color, that is red. So I'm going to click on my color picker. Red is going to be the closest one. The closest primary color is going to be 255, which is red. Now the second closest to this area here is 3 spaces over green. Blue is farther away. It's 5 spaces away. So green is going to be half of red, that 127. So I'm going to set that to 127. And blue, the furthest away, we're just going to set to 0. Now we have our color orange, which is a perfect mix of yellow and red when we're using paints. Of course, this is a light colored wheel. I'm going to go to the next one, which is right here, and this one is closer to green. So green is going to be our 255. Our second closest color is red, so that will be 127. And blue is going to be set to 0. Now we have our chartreuse. The next one over here is on this side of green, so it's closest to green. We will set that one to 255. The second closest color to here is blue, and that will be set to 127, leaving red, the furthest away primary color, at 0. And now we have somewhere in between green and cyan. Over here, this next spot, oh, my computer froze for a second. This next spot is closest to blue, and we're going to set blue to 255. Second closest primary color is green, 127, and red will be at 0, and I will fill that in with azure. Now these last two, I'm going to leave these up to you, and in the next video, I'm going to show you the simple step of just putting numbers on all of the different spaces.